Recording transactions is a big part of using QuickBooks Online. To get familiar with transactions, let's create an invoice to use as our example. Start by clicking the Quick Create icon at the top of the screen, and then choose Invoice. Whether it's an invoice, check, or bill, all transactions in QuickBooks Online have a similar layout. The top is where you record who was involved in the transaction and when it took place. The bottom section is where you list what you sold, the quantity, and how much it cost. When you create transactions, you don't have to remember your customer's full name. Just type a partial name in the Choose a Customer field, and QuickBooks Online will fill out the rest for you. Once you have the right customer, enter the products or services you sold. If you want to reorder these items, just click the square on the left and drag them where you want. And if you need to delete any items, click the trash can on the right-hand side. Now, let's take a look at the button controls at the bottom. Print or Preview are exactly what you'd expect. If you want to print later, just click on the Print or Preview button and then check Print Later. Make Recurring lets you memorize the transaction, and Customize lets you change the look and feel of your invoice. If you're entering a long invoice and just want to save your progress, click Save. But you have 3 other saving options: Save and New, Save and Send, and Save and Close. If you need to go back to an invoice to change something, just click the clock icon at the top of the page, and you see a list of your most recent transactions. Now let's say you've entered a batch of invoices and you want to batch print them. To do that, go to the Transactions tab on the Home page and select Sales. Click on Filter and set the delivery method to Print Later. Apply that filter, and you see a list of all the invoices ready for printing. Simply select the ones you want to print, and under Batch Actions, select Print Transactions. Now that you're familiar with transactions, check out our other videos on the tools and features in QuickBooks Online.